Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I found something on Amazon I didn't know they had. Now, I knew they had a lot of stuff now and a little bit of everything, but I found my favorite sponge. Yes, makeup sponge. I do have the beauty blender. I use it occasionally, but this is the one I keep going back to and feeling like, oh, it does the best job. It feels the best on me. It has the best bounce, whatever, all that good stuff. This sponge is the Aesthetic Cosmetic Beauty Sponge Blender. It's latex-free, vegan-free, vegan and makeup sponge blender for powder, creams, and liquid application, one-piece makeup. I got this the first time off Ipsy or Boxy or one of those. I'll put it down below. And you know what? They have it on Amazon for cheaper. I paid $3.97 for this blender, and let me tell you, I was ecstatic because I think I paid $5 on one of the sales on Boxy or Ipsy or wherever it was. I just love the texture of this one. I don't know what it is about it. It is just that true memory foam. It'll bubble up a little bit, you know, like they always do when they're wet. I just had to come and share. Y'all let me know what your favorite sponge is. Do you use a particular brand? I'm trying all these different ones out and seeing what I like the best. Today I actually used a Juno & Co. that I got from Target. Juno & Co. is pairing with Target to do blender, to do makeup now. And so I tried this bamboo one out. It's all right. I don't hate it. I don't know that I love it. And also got the lemon drop one. These are both wet, by the way. I didn't use it today, but I waited just in case I decided I wanted to. Wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it. But anyway, just thought I'd share. Y'all don't forget to comment below, like, and subscribe. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.